Inscribed quadrilaterals. I don't have enough space, so I'm putting quads. Inscribed quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is nothing more than a four-sided image. It doesn't have to be a particular shape. It could be a square, it could be a rectangle, a trapezoid, a diamond, a kite, whatever you want to call it, just as long as it has four sides. That's a quadrilateral. Now, it's inscribed because the vertices, or the vertex, is on the circle. If that vertex was not on the circle, then it would not be an inscribed quadrilateral. For example, that's not inscribed because the vertices are not on the circle. So, when we're talking about inscribed, we remember that the inscribed angles are half the size of the arc measure. So, let's label these points A, B, C, and D. And let's pretend that the measure of this arc was 20 and the measure of this arc is 100. Well, if you take that whole arc AD and arc DC, and you create arc ADC, that's a total of 120 degrees. What's the angle that belongs to that arc? Well, let's go to the end and come in along that line, go to the end here, and come in along this line. So we're talking about angle B. If that arc is 120 degrees, then that means that angle B is half of that, which is 60. Now, let's say that this arc over here maybe is 90. Well, if we take this arc of 90 and this arc here of 20, that makes a total of 110. Come on in from the end of that arc and from the end of this arc, and we're talking about angle A. Well, if this is a total of 110, what's half of that? 55. And so on and so forth, and that's how you find that.